Another day at Sasquatch. Really fucking overcast. I'm hoping they got a decent amount of snow. I don't think they did, and it's really warm. Pretty bad conditions. Super, just felt like you're riding on grip tape. James! What's up, dude?
It's pretty rough.
Is it? Ah, shit. Hey, we're out here. Oh, I should have dropped my raincoat. God damn it. Oh well. It's gonna be a really wet fucking day.
Oh, dude, it's been devastating.
It's just all dirt.
Yeah, at least it's faster today though.
It's definitely faster.
Much faster, not sticky.
Oh, not even doing that. You wanna go this way? Watch out, watch out. So bad. Oh! Holy fuck. Way better than last time. It's not grippy. Dude, that was nice.
That's pretty cool. It's nice and fast.
Oh yeah, she's fast. It's quite nice, but now it's raining.
Yeah, already. We lost like 50 meters of elevation.
Yep. Do you want to go down here?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh! Oh! It's pretty sick. Woo! Oh! jumped like probably like 10 feet back onto the groove run. That's sick. That was a lot of fun.
That was.
Whoa! Oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh my lordy! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my lordy! What do you think? Should we ride the ridge like here? It looks better over here than over there.
I think so. I think we should do that.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa! Not bad?
Not bad.
Just a little wet. Sweet. It's getting good now. It's getting good now. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, she's getting nice. overshot it.
That was pretty crazy.
I overshot it heavy. Whoa, super fucking, oh my lord.
Man, I landed a jump there, and when I landed, I could feel the water in my boots like squish out
Oh
of my
no,
socks.
really? Oh, I think I pulled my groin too doing that flip.
Oh, dude.
I over rotated that so much. Oh! Oh shit! What? No, I went a little bit more right. It was a bad idea.
I picked a really bad spot.
Yeah! No! Dude, that was sick though. That was so sick. Oh! Whoa! That was it! Woo! Oh my lordy! Alright, what are we having for lunch today, James?
Yeah, so we got some slow roasted beef ribs.
Oh my god, you're not kidding. They are fucking... Oh my god.
Yeah, take your pick.
Bro, no way. How am I supposed to do... Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, maybe not the cleanest chairlift food.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah, man.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
Yeah, unfortunately I didn't bring napkins.
That's alright, we got snow. That was fucking good.
I could make this a regular thing, dude. This is awesome.
Some chairlift ribs?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Piece landed on my fucking board. Save that one for later. That was fucking awesome, thank you.
Yeah, no worries, man. I'm like almost to the point of no return where I can't throw this.
You got it. It's me there.
My boots are so wet.
Oh fuck. Oh, it's kind of grippy. Whoa! That sends you so fucking high in there. Oh! Oh! Going this way! Oh, sorry, tree. Wait, where's the? Is this the first cat track?
It's over there. Oh yeah, it is. Do you want to go to the second one or the?
Dude, we could try and go to the second one.
Okay.
It's not. This isn't like really bad. So like.
No, it's not as bad as I actually thought it.
Do we? Okay, yeah. If we go far, like traverse this, and just cut hard right, we'll make it over the hump. I think. Down there.
My hand.
Oh no. Wait, where? Which one are you talking about?
There's
Like,
a spot where you can slip down and then kind of launch off.
the thing is, I don't know how.
Landing though, so I don't know.
I don't know how good the landing is. That's the only thing.
There might be a tree there even. I can't see.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually there is a tree, but
Oh, not right here though. This is where I was thinking of going off.
Yeah, no, that would be so fucking sick. Yeah, damn. Okay, well, we can go down here. Let's go see how far we can make it left so we can make it up the fucking hill. Oh, yeah. Sick. Oh. Oh. The connector jump, do you want to do the same one or do you want to go somewhere else?
Let's take connector.
Hell, dude, you're carving hard. Dude, that's so sick. I was stretching a little bit. Oh, sorry. I was stretching a little bit when like first get here, but I stopped doing it. I need to do it again. I don't know why I stopped. No, it's so dense. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness! Yo, that booted me so high.
Not too far.
I'm gonna send the cliff. Oh! Yeah! Hell yeah, dude. Oh my god, that was so close. No, that was pretty fun. That was awesome.